CAC Reader DoD Military USB Common Access CAC Smart Card Reader, compatible with Mac OS, Win, Linux, vertical version. NO drivers required for Windows 11/10/8/7 or Mac OS 10.11.1 and above. Just plug and play. CFexpress Type B Reader and XQD Card Reader USB 3.1 Gen 2 10 gigabits per second CFexpress Card Reader, Portable Aluminum CFexpress Memory Card Adapter Thunderbolt 3-port connection support Android/Windows/Mac OS. Professional CFexpress Reader comes with one USB-A to USB-C cable and one USB-C to USB-C cable, designed to allow one device to compatible with all variety MacBook Pro. CFexpress Type B Memory Card, RAW 8K video recording, up to 2000 megabytes per second read, 1800 megabytes per second write, compatible with Nikon Z6/Z7/D6, Canon EOS 1DX Mark III/EOS R5, Panasonic S1/S1R, DJI Ronin 4D. Optimized Satechi Type-C aluminum stand and hub, USB-C data port, micro/SD card readers, USB 3.0 and headphone jack port, compatible with 2020 and 2018 Mac Mini, silver. Patent pending, first of its kind to function as both a Mac Mini stand and USB-C hub, all using a single Type-C connection. 6 IN1 expansion ports, features an USB-C data port, up to 5 gigabits per second, 3 USB 3.0 ports, up to 5 gigabits per second, micro/SD card readers, up to 104 megabits per second, and a 3.5 mm head. Security and compatibility, compatible with smart cards for secure login, and recommended by militarycac.com. Support standard EMB, ISO 7816 Class A, B and C, PID, EMS, C, FCC. DoD Military CAC USB Smart Card Reader for Government ID, National ID, Active Client.